Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Toyota Corolla? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard has a driver-focused, low, horizontal design for better forward visibility. It features a high-definition digital display, a floating touchscreen, and an optional full-color head-up display. The cluster display is a high-resolution digital screen behind the steering wheel, showing speed, RPM, fuel level, vehicle settings. The LCD display shows key vehicle information, navigation, and system alerts in a clear digital format. The gear system allows the driver to select different driving modes, controlling speed and power delivery for smooth and efficient vehicle operation. Climate control automatically manages interior temperature and airflow for comfort. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning, sport mode. High coolant temperature, charging system warning. Low engine oil pressure, malfunction indicator. SRS warning light, ABS warning light. Inappropriate pedal operation, electric power steering. Low fuel level warning. Drivers and front passengers seatbelt reminder. Rear passenger seatbelt. Tire pressure warning. LTA indicator. LDA indicator. PDA indicator. Dynamic radar cruise. Cruise control indicator. Driving assist information. Slip indicator, parking brake indicator. Brake hold operated, turn signal indicator. Headlight indicator, tail light indicator. Headlight high beam indicator, VSC off indicator. Smart key system, brake hold standby. Eco driving, low outside temperature. Security indicator, airbag on off indicator. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.